Keeping this crystal salt lamp next to your computer helps counter electromagnetic radiation organically. As you can see, perfectly crafted and eye-catching floral shape as it shines serenely, and it is covered with the wooden base. So if you see, this USB port is attached with this mini lamp. There is no big science in it. Let me show you how to open it. Simply just open the USB port and then just attach it with your power bank or anything that is visible for you, or you can attach it with your computer USB port. So then after attaching it, you will see it will give a beautiful warm light. So it will keep changing the color slowly. So you just feel the magic of this mini piece. If you turn off the lights, you will see the beautiful lights of rainbow lights are coming out of this. So stop thinking more. So you just order now at our website www.zencoimpact.com, and you can also get this beautiful mini piece for your home.